Hey everybody, hope y'all are doing well. The next assignment we have coming up is the Rosenshine Principles of Instruction FlipGrid post. We only have not too long left in the semester, so you should you should have some hours already completed. Remember, you'll need 30 in the classroom and then 10 from watching videos. And no, I have not posted the assignment about watching the videos yet. We have plenty of time. I will get it posted. But you need to make sure that you are completing your 30 hours in the classroom setting so that you don't end up not being able to pass this course. All right, so this assignment is pretty simple, really shouldn't take you too long, so you will have plenty of time to complete it. So what you will do, you're going to read the Rosenshine Principles of Instruction, which I will show you in just a second, and then you'll respond in a FlipGrid post. So you'll read the Rosenshine Principles, and this is taken, by the way, directly from the syllabus, and I say the document found below. Really, it's right here. When I click on it, you'll see it. You'll choose 2 principles to summarize in a FlipGrid post, provide your classmates with a summary of the principles you select, and discuss ways in which those principles can be used in your future classrooms, whether it's a gen ed or a special ed classroom. But I want you to be specific to math instruction, okay? So, as this course is all about math, I want you to think about the principles that you're going to read about in the context of math instruction. So, and I also want you to keep these principles of instruction in mind as after I post the assignment, which again, it's not there yet, but it will be, the video clips. So think about how the principles of instruction are evident in the video clips that you'll watch for those remaining 10 hours. All right, so what you want to do is you're going to just click here, right where it says Rosenshine Principles of Instruction. This person, Rosenshine, this article is a little dated, but it's really useful. I use it in all my classes, actually. And there's another version of this article that he wrote with someone named Stevens, Bob Stevens, and Bob Stevens was one of my professors at Penn State. So I always like to use this article. This one is not Rosenshine and Steven. It's just Rosenshine, but it's just a fun little fact. So click right here. Okay, so under this, you will see Rosenshine Principles of Instruction. So the article that you're going to read is right here. And then you will click right here to get to your FlipGrid post. All right, so let me show you the article. So it's just called Principles of Instruction, okay? Research-based strategies that all teachers should know. You may have seen this before. One of your other professors may have shared this with you, which is, again, absolutely fine. So you're going to read this. I know it says 2012, but the original version of this article was a while ago. So anyway, okay, so you're going to read it. And then where you see the effective principles of effective instruction are numbered in blue and they are listed in blue. So you will see 10, 1, 2, 3, 2, hold on. And there's a reason why I'm showing you 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 right there, and then 10 is right there. All right, so those are the principles I want you to look at. This other list is just the following list of 17 principles emerges from the research discussed in the main article. So it overlaps with and offers slightly more detail than the 10 principles used to organize the article, but I want you to focus only on the 10, okay? So the ones that are numbered 1 through 10. All right, so there's the end of the article. It's a pretty short article. It's only 9 pages and with 10 principles of effective instruction. Okay, remember again, the ones with a number and written in blue. So you're going to choose 2 of the 10 principles. I want you to tell me both the number and the name of the principle. Okay, so you're going to say, the first principle I'm going to talk about is principle number 1. Begin a lesson with a short review of previous learning. Daily review can strengthen previous learning and can lead to fluent recall if you choose principle number 1. Okay, so tell me the name and the number of the principle of which you are about to talk about. Okay, sorry, the computer's got a little messed up. So anyway, so under the Rosenshine Principles of Instruction, here's the article that I just showed you. You will again choose 2 principles of the 10. Tell me the name and the number, And then you will go here to the FlipGrid post, and I will remember to grade it this time. Go into the FlipGrid post, and I'm going to have to move the screen again, of course. So what you're going to do, read Rosenstein again. The directions are again right here, taken directly from the syllabus. So again, choose 2, tell me the name and the number, and then you're going to summarize the principles and discuss ways in which those could be used, specifically to math instruction. Okay, and I set the timer for 10 minutes. I don't think you will need that much time, but I never want you to feel rushed. So you will have plenty of time. All right, so pretty standard, pretty straightforward assignment. Again, read the article, choose 2 principles, and make your post here into FlipGrid. And that's it. And I will let you know, I will send an announcement when the video about the watching the videos is posted. All right, have a great day.